Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Creative Hub, and today we are going to see some prepositional phrases. So let's learn the prepositional phrases in alphabetical order. So the first phrasal verb is abide by, which means to follow a rule, decision or instruction. For example, we must abide by the rules of the road. Next is absorb in, means to take something into the mind and understand it. Example, I was absorbed in my work. Next, abstain from, to stop yourself from doing something that you enjoy. For example, we should abstain from drinking. Accede to means to agree to a request, demand, etc. Example, he acceded to my request. Accuse of, to say that something has done something wrong or has broken the law. For example, he was accused of murder. Next, acquit of, to determine that one is not guilty of a crime or other wrongdoing. He was acquitted of all the charges. Act on, to take action because of something like information received. The police were acting on a tip from an informer and caught the gang red-handed. Act out, perform something with actions and gestures. They acted out the story on stage. Act up, behave badly or strangely. My computer is acting up. I think I might have a virus. Add on, include in a calculation. You have to add the VAT onto the price they give. Add up, to make a mathematical total. We added up the bill to check it was correct. Addicted to, very much habitual of. He is addicted to gambling. Admit to agree that you have done something wrong. He admitted that he had stolen my book. Afraid of, having or showing fear. I am not afraid of death. Agree on, to share the same opinion about any item, topic, plan, etc. We all agree on this point. Agree to have the same opinion as somebody or something. Do you agree to this proposal? Agree with, to behave that a decision, action or suggestion is correct or right. I agree with you. Aim at, to target. The magazine is aimed at teenagers. Alarm at, the warning of danger. We were alarmed at the sight of lion. Allow for, include something in a plan or calculation. You should allow for delays when planning a journey. Allow of, make possible or permit. The rules don't allow of any exceptions. Angle for, try to get something indirectly by hinting or suggesting. He has been angling for an invitation, but I don't want him to come. Angry with, feeling or showing anger. He is angry with me. Answer back, to reply rudely to someone in authority. Her mother was shocked when she started answering her back and refusing to help. Apologized to or for, to say that you are sorry for something that you have done. He apologized to me for his rude behavior. Appeal to or for, to make a request for something you need or want very much. He appealed to the judge for money. apply to or for. To ask for something in written. He applied to the headmaster for leave. Approve of. To like somebody or something. I do not approve of your action. Aptitude for. Natural ability or a skill. She has no aptitude for music. Argue down. Beat someone in a debate, discussion, or argument. The teacher tried to argue the girl down, but she couldn't. Argue down also has one more meaning, that is, persuade someone to drop the price of something they are selling. Example, she argued him down 10%. Next is argue out. Argue about a problem to find a solution. If we can't argue our differences out, we will have to take them to court. Arrive at. To reach a result, decision, or solution to a problem. Example, he arrived at this decision after listening both the parties. Ashamed of. Feeling guilty or embarrassed about somebody or something. She feels ashamed of his conduct. Ask about. Ask how someone is doing, especially professionally and in terms of health. He asked about my father. Ask after. Inquire about someone's health, how life is going. Jenny rang earlier and asked after you, so I told her you were fine. Ask around. Ask a number of people for information of help. I have no idea, but I will ask around at work and see if anyone can help. Ask in. To invite somebody into your house. John is at the door, ask him in. Ask out. To invite someone for a date. He wanted to ask her out but was too shy. Ask over. Invite. They have asked us over for drinks on Friday. Ask round. Invite someone. We asked John round for dinner. Associate with. To be connected with something in some way. You should not associate with bad boys. Assure of. To guarantee something to someone. I assure you of my help. Astonished at. Surprised. I was astonished at his failure. Attend on. To serve or take care of someone. You should attend on your ailing mother. Attend to. Pay attention to. You must attend to your lesson. Auction off. Sell something in an auction. They auctioned off their property as they were heavily in debt. Avail of. To make use of something. Avail yourself of this opportunity. Aware of. Knowing about or realizing something. I am aware of my shortcomings. Back away. Retreat or go backwards. The crowd backed away when the man pulled a knife. Back down. Retract or withdraw your position or proposal in an argument. She refused to back out and was fired. Back into. Enter a parking area in reverse gear. He prefers to back his car into the garage. Back off. Retreat. The police told the protesters to back off. Back out. Fail to keep an arrangement or promise. He backed out 2 days before the holiday, so we gave the ticket to his sister. Back out of. Fail to keep an agreement or arrangement. She backed out of the agreement at the last minute. Backup. Make a copy of computer data. You should always back up important files and documents so that you won't lose all your work if something goes wrong with the hardware. Bag out. Criticize. Don't beg out Australian English. Ball up. Confuse or make things complicated. The new project has balled me up. I have no idea what to do. Bargain down. Persuade someone to drop the price of something they are selling. I bargained her down to half what she originally wanted. Bash about. Mistreat physically. If you bash your monitor about like that, it won't last long. Bash in. Break, damage or injure by hitting. The burglars bashed the door in to enter the house. Bash out. Write something quickly without much preparations. I bashed the essay out the night before I had to hand it in. Be after. Try to find or get. The police are after him because of the theft. Be along. Arrive. The next bus should be along in the next quarter of an hour or so. Be away. Be elsewhere, on holiday, etc. She is away on business for 3 weeks. Be cut out for. Be suitable, have the necessary qualities. She is not cut out for this kind of work. Be cut up. Be upset. She was very cut up about coming second as she thought she deserved to win. Be down. Be depressed. She has been down since his partner left him. Be fed up. Be bored, upset or sick of something. I am fed up of his complaints. Be taken with. Like something. I was very taken with the performance. It was super. Be up. Be out of bed. She is not up yet. Bear down on. Move towards. She spotted him on the other side of the room and bore down on him. Bear on. Influence or affect. The judge's character may well bear on the final decision. Bear out. Confirm that something is correct. Statics bear out the government's positions on the issue. Bear up. Resist pressure. How are you bearing up under the strain? Bear up under. Cope with something difficult or stressful. He is bearing up under the pressure. Bear with. Be patient. Please bear with me a moment while I finish this email. Beat down. Strong sunshine. The sun was really beating down and we couldn't stay outdoors. Beat out. Narrowly win in competition. The marathon runner barely beat out his rival at the tape. Beat up. Attack violently. The mugger beat him up and stole his wallet. Believe in. Have faith in the truth or existence of. I do not believe in ghosts. Belong to. To be owned by somebody. He belongs to a rich family. Belong with. Be in the correct or appropriate location with other items. Does this disc belong with those on the shelf? Bend down. Lower the top half of your body. I bent down to pick it up off the floor. Bent on. To be very determined to do something. He is bent on mischief. One more example. He was bent on quitting his job even though he was making a lot of money. Beware of. Warn to be careful. Beware of thieves. Big up. Exaggerate the importance. He bigs himself up all the time. Bitch up. Spoil or ruin something. I bitched up the interview. Black out. Fall unconscious. He blacked out and collapsed on the floor. Blast off. Leave the ground. Used for spaceship or rocket. The space shuttle blasted off on schedule yesterday. Bless with. To have something that you feel is special or lucky. She was blessed with a son. Blind off. Unable to see. The beggar was blind of one eye. Blow down. When the wind forces something to fall. A tree was blown down in the storm. Blow in. Arrive, sometimes suddenly or unexpectedly. He blew in from Delhi early this morning. Blow off. Not keep an appointment. We were going to meet last night, but she blew me off at the last minute. Blow up. Explode. The bomb blew up without any warning. Boast of. To talk with too much pride about something that you have or can do. Do not boast of your riches. Boil up. Feel a negative emotion strongly. The anger boiled up in me when I saw what they had done. Bone up on. Study hard for a goal or reason. I need to bone up on my French grammar for the test. Book in. Check in at a hotel. We took a taxi from the airport to the hotel and booked in. Born in. To come into the world. Start existing. He was born in a poor family. Born of. Resulting from. She was born of rich parents. Born to. Born into a situation. She was born to her. Borrow from. To take something from someone with an intention of return. I borrowed a book from my friend. Bound for means an unavoidable action or any moral duty. Another meaning is certain to do something and to run quickly with long steps. One example is given here. The train is bound for Calcutta. Next, busy with. Working on something. I was busy with my book. Call at. To stop at a place. I called at his house this morning. Call on. Pay a visit to someone. Tomorrow I shall call on you. Call up. To telephone. I called him up as soon as I got to a phone to tell him the news. Calm down. Stop being angry or emotionally excited. When I lose my temper, it takes ages for me to calm down again. Cancel out. Have an opposite effect on something that has happened, taking things back to the beginning. The airport taxes cancelled out the saving we had made on the flight tickets. Cap off. Finish or complete, often with some decisive action. She capped off the meeting with a radical proposal. Care for. Like. I don't care for fizzy drinks. I prefer water. Care of, protecting or helping someone. You should take care of yourself. Carried away, get so emotional that you lose control. The team got carried away when they won the championship and started shouting and throwing things around. Carry forward, make something progress. They hope the new management will be able to carry the project forward. Carry off, win or succeed. She carried off the first prize in the competition. Carry on, continue. Carry on quietly with your work until the substitute teacher arrives. Charge with, impose a duty or act on someone. He was charged with murder. Cling to, hold someone or something tightly. The baby clings to its mother. Collide with, to crash, to hit somebody or something very hard while moving. My cycle collided with a Tonga. Compare to, looking for the similarities between two things. We may compare the word to a stage. Compare with, finding similarity or differences between something or someone. Compare Ashoka with Chandragupta. Complain against or complain to. Express of grief, pain, dissatisfaction. I complained against him to the officer. Complain of, to say that you have a pain or illness. She complains of headache. Condemn to punish or sentence somebody. The murderer was condemned to death. Confidence in, trust or strong belief in somebody or something. I have no confidence in you. Confident of, sure of. He is confident of his success. Congratulate on, to praise somebody, to express your happiness for someone's success or welfare. I congratulate you on your success. Conscious of, noticing or realizing that something exists. Aware of something. I am conscious of my shortcomings. Consist of, made up of. The class consists of 40 boys. Content with, satisfied. Be contented with what you have. Cure of, to make someone free from illness, pain, etc. The doctor cured him of his disease. So in this video we have covered the prepositional phrases alphabetically from A to letter C. For more such prepositional phrases, keep watching the another videos in this series. Thank you.